hot dogs in the oven. I know. And they're juicy and plump and tasty. Like you would never believe these were in the broiler, but they are. Hey guys, it's Karen. So I don't know if you're gonna think this is bizarre or not, but I am making hot dogs. Yes, hot dogs, one of my family favorites, my favorite since I was a little girl, with pickles and mustard. But I'm cooking them in the oven. In the oven. Hey guys, it's Karen Bill. Thanks for popping back to my channel. I don't know, like, of course I would rather barbecue, but it's freezing outside. I'm not going out to the barbecue. I know a lot of people boil hot dogs, but you know I don't do things like everybody else. And the easiest, quickest way for me that gives you that crunchy, kind of barbecue-y taste on a hot dog is broil them in the oven. Let's go. So what do I got here? The buns, of course. You could do grilled onions if you want. I'm not. I have a toaster oven. I use this pan. It's clean. It just is stained. And all you do is throw the hot dogs on this pan. I know. Is this too easy? You're gonna be like, come on, Karen. Really? Yeah, really. These are all beef dogs, by the way. I like all beef. Good. I throw them on the pan and then throw them in the oven. These are kind of a pain in the butt to unwrap, just so you know. Hey guys, thanks for popping back to my channel. You know what to do. If you care. And if you don't, I don't care about you. Because what you think is none of my business. So Bruce is having 3, I'm having 2, and Shane will probably have 2, and Georgie needs 1. These are such a pain in the butt to get out of this stupid wrapper. I don't know why they wrap them individually, like honestly, you guys. So, how's your guys' day going? Oh, I can't wait till you guys see how these come out. Because people are like, you put them in the oven. Yes! Basic, I put them in the oven. Okay, I got all 8 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, ready? I'm just going to pop them in. I preheated it to 500 and it's 336. So let's set a timer so I can tell you guys exactly to get them perfect. So 336 is the time it is right now, and I put the hot dogs in. Yeah, I know, we're early birds. But I'm also doing a video, you guys. Okay, and Bruce and Shane love this craft dinner. I would not eat this stuff if my life depended on it. I'm just saying. I'm not saying to any of you that love that, but as an American, I didn't grow up on this stuff, and it's like, ugh. But my Canadian son and husband love it with ketchup. I make broiled hot dogs like it's on the barbecue. Because people don't even think of the crazy stuff I think of, I don't think. But they're gonna tell me in the comments if they do, right? They're gonna tell me if they broil their hot dogs or they just boil them. Boring, boil, or broil like Karen. It's been 10 minutes. And this is how they look so far. They're not quite ready. Oh, it just flipped around here. Okay, so it looks, they're starting to look really good. So you gotta roll them. Just roll them over and then put them back in, okay, in the cake. So far that's 10 minutes, but see, I've set the table and I'm making KD and I'm talking to Bruce, so like you can be doing a lot of other things too. Move this around so
Masks are not mandatory in BC.
There's-
However, they anticipate. that
Say
they
hi
will
to the
be
people. Hello, people on YouTube.
Oh, hi, sorry, I didn't realize, I forgot I was.
Hot dogs, because they're done. I turned off the oven for, you can see I only have a minute left. And I'm just gonna leave them in there so they're warm while I finish the Kraft dinner. But, are these not beautiful? I'll show them to you. Do they not look barbecued? You guys, they look so good, don't they? Thanks, guys. Thanks for popping back to my channel. I'm Karen Singbeal. Click to subscribe if you care. I'll see you guys again. Have a Merry Christmas. Okay, we're sitting down to eat. Do they look good or what? I'm gonna show you when I put in my bun. I'll be back. Oh, these buns are so fresh. You guys, does this look good? In the broiler. Does it look good? I'm so excited. I gotta put my stuff on. Bye, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.